This is an instructional video for attaching any tabletop to the Sophie folding table base. You will need one Sophie Aluminium Table Base, one tabletop, 6 screws. Please use screws provided only. If there are no screws in the box, please contact your sales rep immediately. Step 1. Ensure you have something protective down on your workspace to avoid damaging your tabletop. Step 2. Place the Sophie base in the middle of the underside of your tabletop and measure to ensure it is completely centered. Step 3. Using a cordless drill, take your screws and drill them into the tabletop, careful not to over-drill. Drill your first screw in, and then instead of drilling the hole next to it, drill the hole diagonal to it. This ensures that the tabletop will pull evenly to the table base. If you use slow, steady motions and you aren't heavy-handed when drilling, then the Sophie table base will attach easily to your tabletop. Repeat this step until all 6 screws are securely in place. This has been an instructional video for attaching tabletops to the Sophie folding table base. Thank you for choosing Cafe Solutions for all your cafe furniture and equipment needs.